Hey guys, today we will be doing a treatment and it is called the French Kiss. Now the French Kiss is all about glowing skin from your face to your neck and ending with your chest. Now it includes great ingredients like vitamin C and retinol. So we're going to start off with a pre-cleanse and then we're going to layer on the treatments. Now this treatment includes lots of massage that is going to increase circulation, depuff the skin, help to give you a little lymphatic drainage, and just give you a glow. So I am layering on the first step, which are the retinol crystals, and it's a pre-exfoliator as well, and it just activates the skin and preps it for the vitamin C. We're gonna layer on our vitamin C, which is going to give the skin a beautiful glow. And I'm going to actually use a brush to massage the vitamin C and the crystals into the skin. And I'm starting with her chest and we're gonna go all the way up to her face. After, we're going to layer in hyaluronic acid, antioxidants, and a really beautiful cream that's just going to give her a beautiful glow. And look at that, glowing.